Good evening, my dear student. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. So we are continuing the chapter number 3, metals and non-metal, the exercise NCRT questions. The exercise of NCRT questions. In previous video we discussed the question number 9 about the Pratyush took sulfur powder on a spatula and heated it. He collected the gas evolved by inserting a test tube over it with shown in a figure. There is a figure of spatula, a pair of tongs containing sulfur powder, burner and collection of gas. So what will be the action of gas on dry litmus paper, moist litmus paper? This is question number 8. But the next part of question, the question number B, 9B, write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction taking place. So in this portion, I just write down the first part of reaction. I don't write the second part of the answer. So this is all about the balanced chemical equation of part number 2, part number B. If this type of questions come, then all the two reactions must be written in a proper order. Then examiner will give you marks, because these two reactions, steps of two reactions is important. Then if you write this only, so examiner can't give you marks. So because both the steps, this is the first step and this is the second step. So let's start from this question. So the question number B, 9B is write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction taking place during the reaction of Pratyush taking of sulfur powder and introduced with smoke. So the reaction is sulfur solid form, OO2 plus gaseous form. This gives you sulfur dioxide, that is the sulfur dioxide, and SO2. Again this SO2 going to be just get reaction with the H2O liquid. This gives you the H2SO3, that is the sulfurous acid. After that the question number 10. This is all about the question number 9. After that the question number 10. Question number 10 shows you state 2 ways to prevent the rusting of iron. The 2 ways will prevent rusting of iron are as follows. First, by applying a coat of paint on the iron article, and second by the galvanization process. Second, by the galvanization process. So by applying a coat paint on the iron article, the layer of paint will protect cut off oxygen and moisture to the iron surface and thus will protect it from rusting. So by applying a coat of paint on the iron article, the layer of paint will cut off oxygen supply and moisture supply to the iron surface and thus will protect from the moisture. Second, by galvanization, the iron article is coated with a layer of zinc and metal. Zinc is more active metal than iron and undergoes oxidation preferentially means more effectively, thus provides sacrificial protection. Thus zinc